Hey guys, I'm Anjali Srivastav.
And I'm Aditi Bansal.
So, have you ever thought of something that would help you count the number of persons that enters your door? If so, then that's exactly what we came up with. In this project, we are going to make a counter which will count the number of persons entering a door using ultrasonic sensor and our Arduino board. So, Aditi, will you please tell me about the components used and connection to be made?
Okay, so Anjali, in this project, we are going to use the following components. The first component that we are going to use is an ultrasonic sensor. The pin configuration of ultrasonic sensor is shown. The VCC is generally used for power supply, trick pin is used for output, echo pin is used for input, and ground is for ground purpose. Then 16x2 LCD display which will display our count. Buzzer that will notify us if a person enters a door. An Arduino board, here we are using Arduino Uno with some connecting wires. And the connections will be made on breadboard. So these are the components that we are going to use. So let me switch on to the circuit to show you the connections. I am going to connect ultrasonic sensor to the breadboard. I am going to connect the trick pin of ultrasonic sensor to Arduino pin number 6.
Just a minute, Aditi.
Yes.
Why you have connected this to pin number 6 only? Why not another pin?
No, it's not a compulsion to connect it on pin number 6. You can connect it to other pins too.
Okay.
So now let me continue with my connection. Now I'm connecting the pin number, echo pin to Arduino pin number 7. So this is my Arduino pin number 7. Now I'm connecting the VCC to positive terminal of breadboard and the ground to the negative supply of breadboard. I'm extending this positive supply and giving 5-volt supply through Arduino board, and I'm connecting ground to the ground of Arduino board. Now let me place my buzzer. For that, I'm connecting the shorter leg of buzzer to the negative terminal and the longer one to Arduino pin number 8. Yeah, this is Arduino pin 8. Now let me place my LCD. So pin number 1 of LCD is connected to negative supply. Pin number 2 is connected to positive supply. Pin number 3 is again connected to negative supply. Pin number 4 is connected to Arduino pin number 12. Pin number 5 is again grounded. Pin number 6 is connected to Arduino pin number 11. There is no connection for pin number 7 to pin number 10. So these 4 pins are left with no connection. Pin number 11 is connected to Arduino pin number 5. Pin number 12 is connected to Arduino pin number 4. Pin number 13 of LCD is connected to Arduino pin number 3. I'm sorry. Yeah, this is Arduino pin number 3. There's a problem here. Okay, let me change this. So this is connected to 3. I hope this will work. Yeah. And pin number 14 is connected to Arduino pin number 2. Pin number 15 is connected to positive supply and pin number 16 is grounded. So you can refer to the schematic diagram that has been provided if you have any doubts, and you can also refer to the PPT for pin configuration. Okay, so now Anjali will explain how the circuit actually works.
Nice, Aditi. You have explained it very well. So let's move to the coding part. Firstly, let me open my Arduino IDE. Firstly, I'm going to include the liquid crystal library. From the sketch to the include library, and yes, here's the liquid crystal. So I have included this.
Wait, Anjali.
Yeah, Aditi?
I'm a bit confused. What is the purpose of including liquid crystal library here?
Actually, I have included this to call all the predefined library of liquid crystal.
Alright.
So let's move on. Now I'm going to initialize the pins. For that, I'm using the constant type, and the variable trig pin is equal to 6. Now let me copy it. Okay, and paste it here. Here comes the echo pin, and here the 7. I have used the 6 and 7 as Aditi has connected trig and echo pin on the Arduino pin number 6 and 7 respectively. Now I am again copying it, and here comes the buzzer, which is connected to the pin number 8. On the next line, I am initializing the variables. Duration and distance, and for that I am using the long type for duration and in type for distance. Now I am interfacing the LCD with my Arduino, interfacing the LCD by using the liquid crystal library. Liquid crystal library, and the pins used are 12, 11, 5, 4, 3 and 2. Okay. Now in void setup part, I am going to set my pins as an input or output mode and code that runs for once. For that, I am using the pin mode function for trig pin, which is in output mode. Okay, now let me copy it, paste here. Here comes the echo pin, which is in input mode. Paste it again. Here comes the buzzer, which is for output. Now I am going to initialize the LCD by using LCD display. Here comes the 16x2, as I am using the 16x2 LCD. Let me clear my LCD by lcd.clear. Serial.begin 9600. This serial.begin opens the serial port and set data rate to 9600 bits per second to communicate with our monitor. Okay, now in void loop, firstly I am clearing the LCD by using lcd.clear.
Hey Anjali,
Yeah,
wait
Aditi?
for a minute. You've already cleared the LCD in the previous void setup part, right?
Yeah.
Then why did you clear it again?
Actually, I have cleared it again because at every iteration I want to clear my LCD. That's
Okay.
why I have used this.
Okay.
Now, moving forward, on the next line, I am keeping my trick pin in high and low with a delay of 1000 microseconds. For that, I am using the digital write. Trick pin high, taking delay of 1000 microseconds. Let me copy it and paste here. Here comes the low. Now duration is equal to pulse in echo pin high. Actually, I'm using this pulse in function because it starts counting the number of microseconds until echo pin goes high and stored that value to the variable duration. Now, this duration is then converted into distance by the formula duration upon 2 upon 29.1.
Hey Anjali, please throw some more light on the formula that you've used here.
Sure, Aditi. Let me explain it to you on my sketch pad. Let me open it. As we all know that distance is equal to duration into speed. Here duration is del t upon 2, as this del t represents the total time taken during transmission and reception, and I want only the halfway travel for calculating distance. That's why I have taken it half. And we also know that speed of sound is equal to speed of sound is equal to 343 meter per second, or we can say that 0.0343 centimeter per microsecond. Instead of speed of sound, we can also take the pace of sound, which is equal to 1 upon speed of sound, that is 29.1 microsecond per centimeter. Now, these 29.1, actually this 29.1 is the pace of sound, and here we have to use a speed. That's why I am dividing it by 1 upon 29.1, and from here this distance formula has been used.
Okay Anjali, I understood what you just said.
Now I am taking the delay of 500 . Let me suppose that I have fixed the distance of ultrasonic sensor at the distance of 25 centimeter. Then if distance is less than 25, then buzzer will be in off state for 2 seconds, else it will be in no tone, or we can say that off state. Okay, now let me come here. Here I am initializing the int count is equal to 0 because I want that when the buzzer will blow, it give the count of 1 for every person. For that I am using the count plus plus.
Hey Anjali, I didn't get the logic. Will you please explain this logic once again?
Yeah, Aditi. Actually, firstly I have fixed my ultrasonic sensor at the distance of 25 centimeter. If any object comes under it, means distance will become less than 25, and at that time buzzer will blow. When this buzzer blow, this count will give the increment by 1. When another person enter, then this count will give the increment by 2, means the number of person will now become the 2.
Alright.
Okay, let's move forward. Now I am clearing my LCD again by using lcd.clear. Printing the variable distance on my LCD. Let me copy it, paste again, and here comes the value of distance which I want to show. Alright, now let me paste it again, and here comes the distance in centimeter. Now I am setting my LCD cursor by using lcd.setCursor at 0, 1. Here 0 represents the column and 1 represents the row, and at that point now I am printing the number of person. Okay, now here I am printing the number of person. Number of person. Let me paste it here, and here comes the variable count which I want to show, taking the delay of 1000. Serial dot print. Here comes the variable distance. Okay, let me copy it and paste it here. Here comes the LN, and now here I am representing the distance value which I want to show, and here's the centimeter. Alright, taking the delay again of 1000. Okay, I have done my coding. Let's compile it. Firstly, let me save my project by Ultrasonic project. Okay, I think here comes the error. Okay, I have got it. Yes, now let me compile. Okay, it's compiled. Now let me connect my Arduino with my laptop. Load it. Okay, alright, uploaded. I have fixed the distance of ultrasonic sensor at 25 centimeter. Now let me put my hand. Okay, when it becomes less than 25, it gives the value 1. When it becomes again less than 25, it gives the value 2. Okay, we are done with the project.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more videos, and if you want to learn the Arduino in details, you can subscribe to our course. The link is given below. Thank you.